Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor. First, connect your Speed Editor to your computer via USB-C. Ensure DaVinci Resolve is open and recognizes the device. This compact keyboard is engineered to accelerate your editing workflow significantly, allowing you to navigate timelines, perform cuts, and trim clips with remarkable speed and precision. It's a powerful tool for any editor looking to enhance their efficiency. Let's dive into basic editing. Press the source button to load your footage into the viewer. Use the in and out buttons to define your clip's duration. Then, choose your edit type. Smart Insert places the clip at the playhead, Overwrite replaces existing footage, and Append adds it to the end of your timeline. These dedicated controls make precise edits incredibly fast, saving you valuable time on every project. Now, let's master advanced trimming and navigation. The large jog shuttle is your key to precise control, allowing you to scrub through footage frame by frame or at variable speeds. Utilize slip source and slip destination to adjust a clip's content within its existing duration. For dynamic timeline adjustments, roll and ripple edits let you modify clip lengths while maintaining sync across your entire project, boosting your editing speed by several factors. To truly maximize your speed editor, explore DaVinci Resolve's keyboard customization settings. While many keys are fixed, understanding their functions is crucial. Consider assigning less common but frequently used actions to available programmable keys if your workflow demands it. Remember, consistent practice is key. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes, transforming your editing process and potentially cutting your editing time by 1/3 or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.